In this training video, I'm going to share step by step how to promote Clickbank products as an affiliate with direct linking method. That's right. No bridge page, no landing page, no website, no blog, no squeeze pages, no opt-in pages. Getting your affiliate link from Clickbank and then driving direct traffic to the Clickbank offer using a very high converting traffic source. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a campaign and how to do direct linking method with this how to do direct linking method. So if you are interested in doing direct linking, which I don't recommend, I've already spoke about this in my previous videos why, but if you are interested in doing direct linking and you want to send traffic directly to the Clickbank link, I'm going to share this step by step how to do all this. So let's dive into this video. Right now I'm on Clickbank. Now this method works with any affiliate network out there. You could do this for any affiliate network. Okay, so if you're not into Clickbank for any reason and you want to promote another opportunity, that's also fine. But I'm just going to talk about Clickbank because when affiliate marketers get started with Clickbank, it's normally the Clickbank platform. Okay, everyone gets started with Clickbank. Clickbank is one of the great platforms and one of the top, best and biggest affiliate network out there for beginners and advanced marketers. All right, I've been with Clickbank for over a decade and I love Clickbank and I've made thousands and thousands of dollars with Clickbank. Quick disclaimer, individual results will vary depending on your effort, taking action, following the steps, etc, etc. Okay, so you need to understand that. All right, just because someone made money does not mean that you're going to make any kind of money. It all depends on how you follow the steps, how you take action, and what type of mindset you have. So let's get into this video. I'm on the Clickbank marketplace and there are so many products down here. Now I'm not going to choose a product from this category because I already have one product in my mind that I want to promote because it's a very good product, it's a legitimate product, it's an up-to-date product, and it's a product that just doesn't give you the course teaching you something about the traffic source, but it actually gives you a couple of bonuses, which is a done for you business in a box that you can use and sell and earn 100% profit. So I'm going to use that product for this purpose. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to type in Instagram, okay, and then I'm going to see what's coming up. So I can see it's the first result down here that says turn your Instagram account, okay, with 0 followers method. I could see that they have an affiliate page as well, affiliate resource tool that I can use to promote this product. That's going to help me. It has a sales page as well. Let's just check the sales page out and I can see that the sales page is, okay, let's just wait for it to load. I've already know about this. Okay, the sales page is looking very good. It's got a video explaining what this is all about. Now this person is an Instagram expert, okay, generating thousands of dollars every single month with Instagram traffic, okay, and then this is a complete course teaching you what Instagram can do for you, and it's giving you bonuses as well. 6 exclusive bonuses. One of the priceless bonuses is a done for you business in a box. So I'm going to promote this product because I believe that I can get traffic and I can get conversions on this platform. Okay, so to do this, what I'm going to do is you're going to get your affiliate link. Okay, so to get your affiliate link, you're just going to click on get affiliate link. Okay, and then down here you're going to put your nickname, and then you're just going to scroll down and this is going to be your affiliate link here. This long link is your Clickbank affiliate link. Okay, so you're going to copy that. Okay, copy. And then we're going to go to this traffic source. Now this traffic source is a very high converting traffic source, but remember, not everyone is equal. Okay, I'm not going to say that everyone has good traffic on this platform. I haven't tested everyone, so I can't say that, but I do know a couple of people on this network that has a very good traffic source, and as a bonus I'm going to give you one of my best person that has very good traffic. Okay, now this traffic source is invitation only. You can't go and create an account with this traffic source. So if you really want to create an account with this traffic source, here's the website address. You could just open up a new browser, pause this video, go to this website address, and you will able to create your account. Okay, once you have created your account, you're going to see something like this. Okay, so we are going to create a campaign. So we are more interested in just traffic campaign. Okay, we can ignore this. We want to ignore this as well. All right, so we want to create a campaign. So first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to come here, click on add new campaign, and I'm just going to put CB Insta offer, because that's what I'm promoting. I'm down here, I'm going to put my Clickbank affiliate link. Now remember, I highly recommend that you create a landing page, a squeeze page. Very, very important. But if you can't, or for any reason you don't want to, which I don't recommend, and you want to do direct linking, you can do this, okay? So then we're going to scroll down, and then you could see here, start campaign now. Okay, just leave everything as it is. Allowed traffic, okay, and then you could choose either weight loss, health, make money online, waiting to make money online. If you go to block traffic, you can block certain people as well. So for instance, if you've been testing this traffic source over and over and over and over again, okay, you've been testing it, and you came across a couple of people after you using your tracking link, so that couple of people are not sending you good traffic, you could keep everything as it is and just block a couple of people. That's how good it is. This is the good part about this traffic source, okay? Traffic providers, we're just going to choose one. If you're just getting started with one person, I'm going to give you one of my best person. Now, just because I'm giving you this best person does not mean that you're going to get any kind of leads, subscribers, or sales, okay? There's no promise, no guarantee. I'm just giving you my best person based on my experience. I've had a very good experience with this person's traffic, okay? This is a bonus from my side, by the way. So let me just give you one of my best person. Now, just giving you this person does not mean that all the other people are not good, okay? There are so many other good people as well, all right, I will talk about those people in my future videos, okay? So let me give you one of my best person. Here's a person, okay? You're going to use this person for traffic purposes if you want to give it a test drive, all right? And always test it with 300 clicks minimum, okay? Any person you test for the first time, allow them to send you at least 300 clicks, okay? Not less than that, because that's the magic testing number to see whether traffic is going to convert or not, you're going to get leads or not, you're going to get subscribers or not, okay? Countries, we're going to keep it to English Tier 1 countries, English speaking countries. Now, most of the time I will just delete everything and just keep it to United States, because most of the 87% of the buyers are coming from United States, but still I'm going to keep everything as it is, okay? And then if I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to keep my budget minimum maximum cost per click. So you could see here, down here, based on your current target, there are 11 clicks available at a cost of 73 cents. Now, I just don't understand why 11 clicks available. Just doesn't make sense, so don't fall for this for now, okay? What you want to do is you want to put 78 cents. So I'm going to come here, 78 cents. I'm going to put total budget $100. Daily budget, I'm going to put $10, okay? And remember, this $100 doesn't mean that I'm going to spend $100 on this one person's traffic. No, I am just looking to get at least 300 clicks from this person. Then I'm going to pause the campaign and I'm going to see what happened. Did I get any results? Have my email follow-ups kicked in? Did my email follow-ups bring any kind of sales? If I saw that I got sales, I'm going to activate the campaign again and continue to get traffic from the same person, even if I just made one sale. Remember, we're not looking to make profit, okay? We're looking to see whether this person has good traffic, buyer traffic, targeted traffic, that we can continue to make sales and commissions in future when we promote different products, okay? So even in the beginning, if you don't make any sale, you just made 1 or 2 sales, you didn't make any profit, you didn't break even, you just made that 1 or 2 sales, that's more than enough for us to actually verify that, yes, this person has very, very good traffic, he's got buyers in his traffic, so I'm going to continue to buy traffic, build my list, so I can continuously promote products, okay? Then at the bottom, you say smooth, accelerate. We're going to keep it to smooth because we're just getting started with one person down here. Okay. But then slowly, what's going to happen is we are going to actually, once we know that one person's traffic is working very, very good, then it's time to scale. Okay. Scaling means if you're, for example, if you're getting like 500 leads, you want to scale it to 1,000 leads, 2,000 leads, you want to generate, even in your money, you want to scale your traffic and sales. Okay. So for that, once you know that what you're doing, you know you're getting very, very good traffic from one of the best persons, then you could keep it to accelerate. So all that traffic comes in very quickly, very, very fast. And so you could create a brand new campaign. Once you get the hands on all of this and you know what you're doing, then you can have multiple people for traffic. So, okay, so you could select different people down here, select all of them that getting you the best traffic, and then you could get combination of traffic from 3 different people. But in the beginning, if you don't know what you're doing, or you're just getting started for the first time, you haven't tested the water yet, that you just want to select one person, get a notepad or get your document out and just list that person's name. How many clicks did you get? How many leads did you get? How many subscribers did you get? And after your 7-day to 10-day email follow-ups kicked in, did you make any sales or not? You want to document everything so you know you have a track of the best people, and then you can just spill out all the people where you're not getting good traffic from, and then this is how you're going to scale your business. If you still haven't joined this traffic network, it's very simple. Here's the link popping up on the screen. Pause this video, go to this website address, create your account. Once everything is done, you're going to click on active. Okay, you're going to click on active, you're going to click on save campaign, and then once you have created on save campaign, what you're going to do is to activate your traffic. Okay, you need to come here and you need to add funds. Okay, this is a paid traffic source, remember that. Okay, so you're going to add funds. As soon as you add funds, you're going to see the dashboard down here, and you're going to see the traffic has started. Okay, so you can see here I've been testing different people in this traffic and source as well, and so far I have found the best person as the one that I just provided you. All right, so it's all about testing. Okay, so that's all for now. Stay tuned because I'm going to share some very good traffic source in my upcoming videos.